In this video, we're going to walk through a pre-release demo of FUOTA on the RAK3172 using RUI3 v5 and ChirpStackOS. I'll guide you step by step from setting up your application, configuring the device, and joining the network, all the way to starting a FUOTA session and seeing the fragments come in. This is an early beta feature, and it's a good chance to explore how the workflow actually looks. If you're testing FUOTA or just curious about how the process works, this tutorial will help you follow along easily. Let's get started with the ChirpStackOS setup. Open your ChirpStackOS, run the LNS and login. Start by creating an application. Add a LoRaWAN device inside the application. Set up the name and OTAA parameters, including device profile. For the OTAA key, you can generate it and make sure that the application key is the same as GenApp key, which is needed for remote multicast setup. Before proceeding, you can check if the MAC version in the device profile is correct, as well as expected uplink interval, which is 30 seconds. Connect your RAK3172 evaluation board and open serial terminal software. Prepare the OTAA parameters, including band and join settings. Input the AT commands and command the device to join the network. Once joined successfully, it is very important to set up the uplink interval to 10 seconds. When FUOTA session started, the downlink needs to be captured, which RX window happens after an uplink. Observe the successful uplink events. Go to FUOTA tab to prepare for FUOTA session. Create a new FUOTA deployment. You can follow these FUOTA settings or adjust as necessary. Select and submit the firmware to be uploaded via FUOTA. Add the device to the FUOTA session created. Go to the FUOTA session tab after adding the device. Select the device and start the FUOTA session. Open the serial terminal, and you can see the downlink going towards F port 200 and 201. This will be a long process, and wait until the unit switches to Class C and FUOTA session starts. Device moves to Class C and FUOTA sessions begin. You can see the fragments being sent to the device. While waiting, you can check on the Multicast group tab for the fragments being uploaded as Multicast. Check the uplink fragments. Shows FUOTA is finished and the device reboots. Observe successful uplinks on the new firmware. Thanks for sticking with the FUOTA demo. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. See you in the next video.